Early innovation. Hybrid cars first gained widespread attention by combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor in a practical and reliable way. Models like the Toyota Prius showed that everyday drivers could significantly reduce fuel consumption without changing their driving habits. Unlike fully electric vehicles, hybrids did not require charging stations, making the transition much easier for most people. Fuel efficiency advantage. One of the biggest reasons hybrids became popular was their ability to use less fuel, especially in city driving. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine during acceleration and can power the car at low speeds in certain conditions. This reduces the amount of fuel burned in stop-and-go traffic, where conventional engines are usually least efficient. For many drivers, lower fuel costs quickly became one of the strongest selling points. Regenerative braking. Hybrid vehicles introduced many drivers to regenerative braking, a system that captures energy normally lost during braking and stores it in the battery. Instead of allowing that energy to disappear as heat, the electric motor works as a generator while the car slows down. This improves overall efficiency without requiring any extra effort from the driver, making the technology both practical and effective. Environmental awareness. As concerns about air pollution and climate change grew, more consumers began looking for cleaner transportation options. Hybrids produce lower emissions than many traditional gasoline vehicles, while avoiding some of the limitations that early electric cars faced. They became an attractive middle ground for people who wanted to reduce their environmental impact without giving up the convenience of conventional fueling. Government support. Many countries encouraged hybrid adoption through tax incentives, lower registration fees, and other financial benefits. These policies helped reduce the cost difference between hybrid and conventional vehicles. At the same time, stricter emissions regulations encouraged manufacturers to expand their hybrid lineups. Government support accelerated adoption during a period when the technology was still becoming established. Improved reliability. In the early years, some buyers worried that hybrid systems would be difficult or expensive to maintain. Over time, companies like Toyota and Honda demonstrated that well-designed hybrid systems could remain reliable for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. As confidence increased, hesitation among buyers gradually disappeared. Advancing battery technology. Battery technology improved steadily as hybrid development continued. Newer batteries became smaller, lighter, and more durable while offering better performance than earlier designs. These improvements reduced costs and increased efficiency, allowing hybrids to become practical across many different vehicle types, rather than remaining limited to compact cars. Expanding vehicle choices. Hybrid technology eventually spread far beyond small hatchbacks. Manufacturers began offering hybrid sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, and luxury vehicles, giving buyers far more options than before. Instead of choosing a hybrid because it was the only efficient option, customers could now select a vehicle that matched their lifestyle while still benefiting from lower fuel consumption. Bridge to electrification. Hybrid vehicles also became an important step toward the future of electric transportation. They introduced drivers to electric motors, battery systems, and energy management without requiring major changes in daily routines. For many people, hybrids served as a comfortable transition between traditional gasoline vehicles and fully electric cars, making new technology feel familiar rather than intimidating. Changing consumer priorities. The popularity of hybrid cars reflects a broader shift in what many buyers value. Performance and styling remain important, but fuel economy, environmental impact, and long-term operating costs now influence purchasing decisions more than they once did. Hybrids succeeded because they balanced these priorities without asking drivers to completely change the way they use their vehicles.